What if I told you that everything you think you know about how the pyramids were built is incomplete? The traditional methods taught in schools and shown in documentaries only scratch the surface. Today on Historical Highway, we're diving into the latest research and most intriguing theories about one of the greatest mysteries of the ancient world: the construction of the Egyptian pyramids. Prepare to have your curiosity ignited and your mind blown as we uncover the secrets of how these colossal structures were truly built. Let's begin by examining the most common theory: that the pyramids were constructed using massive limestone blocks transported from nearby quarries. While this theory holds some truth, recent discoveries suggest it's far from the whole story. The Great Pyramid of Giza alone consists of about 2.3 million blocks, each weighing between 2.5 to 15 tons. The sheer logistical challenge of moving these stones has led scientists and historians to propose various methods, but none have been universally accepted. One traditional theory posits that the Egyptians used straight or spiral ramps to transport the blocks up the pyramid. However, this idea has significant flaws. Constructing such ramps would require a massive amount of material and labor, and the ramps themselves would need to be almost as large as the pyramids they were meant to build. Furthermore, no concrete archaeological evidence of these ramps has been found. So, if not ramps, then what? Enter the water shaft theory. Recent studies suggest that the ancient Egyptians might have used a system of water-filled shafts and channels to float the blocks into place. This theory is supported by the discovery of a series of canals and waterways around the pyramid sites, which could have been used to transport the heavy stones. Imagine using the natural buoyancy of water to lift and move blocks that would otherwise be impossible to handle with manpower alone. Ingenious, right? But the mysteries don't stop there. Another revolutionary idea is the internal ramp theory proposed by French architect Jean-Pierre Houdin. According to Houdin, the pyramids were built from the inside out. He suggests that a spiraling internal ramp was used to transport the blocks up the pyramid as it was constructed. This theory is compelling because it explains why no external ramps have been found, and provides a feasible method for lifting the massive stones. Computer simulations and infrared scans of the Great Pyramid have shown anomalies that could indeed be remnants of such an internal structure. Now let's talk about the workforce. Contrary to popular belief, the pyramids were not built by slaves. Recent archaeological findings indicate that the labor force consisted of skilled workers who lived in nearby temporary cities. These workers were well-fed, received medical care, and were respected members of society. They were likely motivated by a sense of duty and religious devotion, believing that their work would ensure the pharaoh's place in the afterlife, and, by extension, the continued prosperity of Egypt. Another fascinating aspect is the precision with which the pyramids were constructed. The Great Pyramid, for example, is aligned with incredible accuracy to the cardinal points. This precision has led some to speculate about the use of advanced tools and techniques. While the ancient Egyptians didn't have modern technology, they did possess an impressive understanding of mathematics and astronomy. They used simple yet effective tools like plumb bobs, leveling instruments, and sighting rods to achieve their remarkable accuracy. But what about the mystery of the pyramid stones themselves? Recent geological studies have revealed that some of the blocks might not be carved from natural limestone at all. Instead, they could be a form of ancient concrete or geopolymer, made from a mixture of crushed limestone, clay, and other materials. This would explain how the Egyptians managed to produce such uniformly shaped blocks with such precision. If true, this means the Egyptians were not only master builders, but also early pioneers in the use of synthetic building materials. Let's also consider the role of sound and vibration. Some researchers believe that the Egyptians might have used sonic levitation to move the stones. This idea, though still highly speculative, suggests that sound frequencies could reduce the friction between the stones and the ground, making them easier to move. While there's no concrete evidence to support this theory yet, it's a tantalizing possibility that keeps the mystery alive. And then there's the question of why the pyramids were built in the first place. While they are commonly understood as tombs for pharaohs, some researchers argue that they served additional purposes. The pyramids could have been astronomical observatories, power plants, or even repositories of ancient knowledge. Their precise alignment with celestial bodies, and the mathematical significance embedded in their dimensions, suggest a deeper purpose beyond mere burial sites. As we unravel these mysteries, it's crucial to acknowledge the ingenuity and sophistication of ancient Egyptian civilization. They were able to achieve feats that continue to baffle modern engineers and scientists. The combination of innovative construction techniques, advanced understanding of mathematics and astronomy, and a highly organized workforce all contributed to the creation of these monumental structures. The story of the pyramids is a testament to human creativity, determination, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Each new discovery adds another piece to the puzzle, revealing a civilization that was far more advanced than we often give them credit for. As we continue to explore and study these ancient wonders, we are reminded that the quest for understanding is never truly complete. There is always more to learn, more to discover, and more to be amazed by. So the next time you gaze upon the pyramids, whether in pictures or in person, remember that you are looking at one of humanity's greatest achievements, a marvel of engineering that has stood the test of time and continues to inspire awe and wonder. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the past. Make sure to subscribe to Historical Highway for more fascinating explorations into history's greatest mysteries. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep discovering.